Oh, he's... What is this? 안녕하세요 from Korea. Today we're cooking 어묵볶음. 어묵볶음 is, well, it's this. This is the 어묵, it's fish cake. And 볶음 is frying things up. So 어묵볶음 is fried fish cake. It feels a bit strange when I'm touching it now. But I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna fry it up, and I'm gonna make it spicy because I like spicy 어묵볶음. It's the only way I eat it. So join me, I'm gonna cook this Korean side dish and let's do it together. Let's start. I'm not gonna lie, this feels gross, but it tastes so good.